Hey, let's make a brand logo. One of the easiest ways to do this is probably to use DALL-E in ChatGPT Plus. And so just going to paste in here. This is a prompt that I tend to use. Logo for company name, which sells product type. And then I have a few extra pieces here. I think it's helpful to make the logo abstract and flat and minimalistic. Put the word vector in there. That's useful. It creates the type of logos that I like, although you can change the style section really to anything you need, or anything you like. If you want more natural, skeuomorphic type stuff, that you can do that. I also think it's helpful to have a white background because it changes the types of colors you get. White background is the most common use of a logo, and then it makes it easier to remove the background afterwards. So I'm going to create this for the company Ultra, which sells men's shaving products. Paste that in, and then I'm just going to say create a logo, because with DALL-E through ChatGPT it's more conversational than you would use a prompt for another tool. It's creating the image, and while it's creating the image I usually just type show me the prompt you used, because I think it's quite useful to see how it interpreted this. One of the things you might not realize is that when you use DALL-E 3 through ChatGPT, it will rewrite your prompt for you and create a better prompt. So here we go. That's a pretty cool logo, right? It's got a razor, and then it flips around here, and it's got some stars. I think that's actually a pretty good job. That, if I want to say, show me the prompt you used, yeah. Here we go. It's just rewritten it to be a little bit better. I'm going to copy this, and we're just going to see what we get when we put that into Midjourney as well. So I just pressed /imagine, and then I'm just going to paste in the prompt here, and just obviously remember to get rid of the crap that it adds on top. So paste that in, and while that's generating, I'm just going to show you how to remove the background. So if you download that, and then you go to remove.bg, which is a free website where you can remove the background from things. Here we go. And this also uses AI, but it's a different model. And there, it's erased the background. So we're going to hit download. And now we have that background. We can place it on anything we want. So that is super useful. Now, just check out Midjourney. You can see that they have a bit more of a futuristic fantasy aesthetic, and it ignored the white background. It made the logo itself white, which is a little bit different. So you can see the difference between the models, and it really just depends on what type of style you want. The other thing that we get a lot better results from with DALL-E is the text. So it actually got the text right here. It doesn't always, but one thing you might need to do is if it got the text wrong, or if you're using one of the ones from Midjourney, as you can see here, it got the text wrong completely. You'd have to go in and say Figma, some sort of design tool like Canva, and then remove that text, and then put your own text in there as well. Choose a font. That is the typical workflow if you're creating a logo. And if you don't like that, you can also ask it for multiple options, or ask it to make specific changes as well.